At least 5 people, including Peace Committee leader Wahid Ullah Mehsud, were killed and 7 others injured when a suicide bomber attacked a wedding ceremony here on Friday, police said. According to police, the explosion occurred near Qureshi Moor during a wedding celebration at the residence of Peace Committee Chief Noor Alam Mehsud. The participants were reportedly dancing to drum beats when the suicide attacker detonated explosives inside a room. Initial reports indicate that at least 3 people, including Wahid Ullah Mehsud alias Jigri Mehsud, Abdul Majid Lagri advocate, and an unknown, were killed, while 7 others sustained injuries. However, officials said the death toll may rise as rescue and verification efforts are underway. The blast caused the roof of the room to collapse, hampering rescue operations and making it difficult to reach those trapped under the debris. District Police Officer DPO Dera Ismail Khan, Sajjad Ahmed Sahibzada, confirmed the casualties and said the injured were being shifted to hospital. The injured were identified as Waris, Noor Alam, Tawheed Ullah, Rehman, Sohail and Nazir Ullah. The police also reported that the head of the suicide bomber was recovered from the scene, confirming it was a suicide attack. The security forces cordoned off the area and launched an investigation.